Greetings viewers and subscribers. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Ivy, a functional and thoughtfully designed 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in the same 73-acre Greathouse Estate by Brahma Construction right here in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. With the same open concept layout as the Verley, the Ivy features a cozy yet spacious living, dining, and kitchen area. Each space is bright and breezy, thanks to well-placed windows that allow for excellent ventilation and natural light. Moving into the master bedroom, it comes with its own ensuite bathroom. While it doesn't have a large walk-in closet like the Verley, the built-in closet here is surprisingly spacious and practical. Let's take a look. The second bedroom is just as impressive, boasting windows for plenty of light and airflow, plus another large built-in closet. Let's take a look. this is bathroom number 2, which includes a bathtub. A great feature for families with young children or anyone who enjoys a good soak. The kitchen provides ample counter space for food prep, along with plenty of drawers and cupboards to keep your utensils neatly tucked away. Now here's something you might not expect. The side balcony on this unit is actually larger than the one on the 3-bedroom unit. With this generous footprint, there is even potential to convert it into an additional room and bathroom if desired. Outdoors, the Ivy shares the same beautifully landscaped lawns, backyard space, and lush surroundings as the Verley. And of course, you'll get your rooftop lounge area, perfect for morning coffee, stargazing, or weekend chilling. The Ivy is priced at $207,000 for cash buyers and $225,000 for mortgage buyers. Now let's check out my favorite room, the washroom. There is room for your washer, dryer, plus storage for all your laundry essentials. This area also provides access to the backyard, ideal for outdoor chores or a little weekend gardening. As for future community perks, Brahma Construction plans to include a clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose courts, walking trail, gym, picnic areas, 24-hour security, a commercial center packed with quality shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. Basically everything you need right where you need it. All thoughtfully designed to support a comfortable modern lifestyle. So there you have it, the Ivy at Greathouse Estate. Smart, stylish, and full of potential. Whether you're starting fresh or investing, this 2-bedroom unit delivers comfort and convenience in a secure, scenic community. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. I'm Alexia, and this is Jamaica in 10. Stay curious and keep exploring. Take care.